Hey guys, Mikey here. Welcome back to the Data Analysis Basics in R video series. So today's question is how to set a working directory in RStudio. Before checking out the code, make sure you know what a working directory is. The working directory refers to a file path on your computer that determines the default location for any files you read into R or even save out of R. And you can use the setwd function for setting your working directory. However, you might also want to know what your current working directory is before changing it. For that, you can use the getwd function. So let's run these codes and see how it goes. Okay, so you can see that my current working directory is downloads. Now let's say I want to change my directory to a different folder named YouTube. Here all you need to do is to copy the file path of your respective folder and have it listed between the double quotes here. Also be careful with these forward slashes. I think when you copy paste the file path in Windows, it comes the other way around, so just be careful with that. Additionally, make sure that there are no extra spaces anywhere in the file path, as this will give you errors. In fact, you can also change the working directory by directly going to the session tab and clicking on the set working directory. So that's all for today. I'll see you guys on the next video. Please leave me a comment on any topic that you would like me to create videos on, and make sure to subscribe to this channel if you're interested in more R programming tips. Till next time, ciao!